I did a Google search for ESXi 7.0. Click the second link, it will take you to the VMware website. Click on the license and download tab. If you don't have an account, create one. If you have an account, simply sign in. This is the free license that you'll be using. Then click the manual download. The ISO image will download to your default download folder. Next, I open another tab and search for Rufus. Click on the Rufus EXE download, then go to the download folder and double click on the Rufus execution file. This will open up a dialog box. Verify your USB drive, ISO image, MBR or BIOS. Warning that your USB drive will be completely erased. Remember to change your boot order to USB.